Hello and welcome back everyone to a new video on this channel. In this guide video, let me quickly show you how to remove song from Instagram post. If you're also trying to upload a new post on your Instagram account and you've just added in a new music, and for some reason if you don't like this music, you can easily remove it by tapping on the cross icon that you see on the right hand side of the music. So you can just tap on this cross and that music will be removed, and you can again tap on add music and choose the different music that you want to add in. But if you're trying to remove the song or the music from the post that is already posted, there is no option of doing that. Even if you open up the settings and try to edit, you can see there is no option of removing music that you've already added in. You can either mute the music by tapping on the speaker icon on the bottom right, or you need to remove this entire post and again post it by adding in the new music that you want. So that is the only thing that you can do, and there is no option of removing a song from an already posted Instagram post, whether they be normal post or Instagram reels. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.